when you start to talk to them, of course you're gonna talk about baby box. What are the things you have recognized? Like what are the things, like those are like early stage of mom, right, who have just pregnant or maybe have the new babies? How do you recognize their needs? Maybe you can share a little bit about what are the needs they have it, and then you start to have this program going on.
I think so. This is a very important point for entrepreneur. You don't need to do everything yourself or your company. You need to find the right ally, the right partner to do the things. So we start to search for governments, for local governments. They already had this program to help pregnant mothers, so with social workers. So they just need to add another item that is a baby box, and they help us to make the list, the vulnerable community. They need to went at least once to the doctor to see they have interest in the baby that is in this moment. So we work with others to make this, to build the impact better. So we designed with our scientific doctor 6 pillars to work in our charity. So when we decide the education program, so we talk about conscious when you are pregnant, because this is the power of the 1,000 days, the 1,000 days, about your thoughts, your feeling, everything is feeding this new baby and making the brain connection. So we believe that love is the pill, the recipe that we need to change our society. So for that reason, we talk about conscious when you're pregnant, safe sleep. That is where our baby box is so important for the safe sleep. We talk about breastfeeding. We love it. We defend the breastfeeding. We talk about raise a child with empathy, with example, with respect, and with love, of course. This is very important for us. We talk about inclusion, because inclusion starts with the parents. What example we are giving? With somebody has another capacity, what we say about that, what we encourage our kids to. Everyone have a difference. Look, your mother and your dad, they are different. So that's some of the difference. We have a heart, we have a feeling, so we have to respect that. And we talk about family as well. How we need to be prepared as a family, as a dad, as a mom. Doesn't matter how is organized your family, this mother family, doesn't matter. You need to be prepared to this new member, because he's an exchange, so it's going to come and it's going to change everything. So you need to be prepared. You need to try to find middle points to make like agreements. Okay, if your baby's crying so much, what are you going to do? You're going to shout, or you're going to listen and understand that it's a process? Yeah. So it's so important.